Here we have a 2017 Ram 3500 SLT Crew Cab Night Edition. Has a 6.7 liter inline-6 turbocharged diesel engine, 6-speed automatic transmission with 4-wheel drive, and this truck only has 59,000 kilometers on the odometer. For the interior, we have your power mirrors, windows, and locks, all found below the driver's door handle. We also have power folding mirrors in this truck as well. A lot of storage along the bottom as well, with some cup holders in the front, speaker in the corner. We do have a nice black on black combination for the interior with leather bucket seats up front. Both front seats are fully power operated, but switches on either side. And you do have a nice big closing console in the middle. Truck uses a turnkey ignition system. Starts up nice and easy. See, we do have 59,266 kilometers on the odometer. You are able to configure what is displayed in the screen as well, so various different information like transmission temperature, oil life, all that fun stuff. Off to the side here, we do have your automatic headlight controls with your fog lights, bed light, and gauge cluster illumination dial at the bottom. On the back of the steering wheel, you do have audio controls on both sides, as you can see. And then on the front of the steering wheel, we do have your Bluetooth controls. The directional pad here is what I was using to control the screen in the gauge cluster, and then we do have your cruise control on the other side. Automatic gear select right off the column here. You do have up and down gear selects on the shifter as well. And when the vehicle's in reverse, this is where you'll find your backup camera with guidance lines. For the stereo, you do get AM, FM, and XM radio. You have USB and auxiliary ports as well, and Bluetooth connectivity. And it is completely touchscreen as well. So you use it just like you would your smartphone. And if we go into settings here, you have various different things that you can configure as well. Things like trailer brake and whatnot. And then you do have a shortcut to turn on the backup camera without being in reverse, if that's what you want. We also have your 2-wheel to 4-wheel drive selector here with a neutral button just below. Climate control with ice cold air conditioning, dual zone in the front. Then we have your electronic trailer brake here, traction control, tow mode, exhaust brake, front and rear parking sensor toggles. And then we do have heated and ventilated front seats, in addition to a heated steering wheel. Nice big center console here, 12-volt cigarette lighter cell outlet there. Giant armrest in the middle with the big Ram crest as well. So when you open this up, you do have some coin holders, and a little bit of flat storage, and 2 USB ports here, and an auxiliary port right in the middle. And then if you pull the lower down handle, as such, you do get access to the nice deep storage in the middle. If you look on the dash here, you will see the vehicle is equipped with the Alpine sound system. You also have an auto dimming rearview mirror here, 3-car garage door opener, power sliding rear window, and then sunroof controls for the nice big sunroof up top. The Ram 3500 is equipped with aftermarket DMF 20-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in Goodyear regular 35s. We do have a nice dark gray color for this series. With this being the nice edition model, you can get black accents all throughout, so that shows up in the front grille. We also have your tow hooks in the very front, in addition to fog lights on either side. And then you do have your parking sensors going along the entirety of the front bumper. Engine block here hanging down there already. Off to the side here, we do have your badging for Cummins Diesel, so it's the engine like I mentioned. The Ram 3500 heavy duty. There's the night edition that is all black. We do have an LED turn signal matches on your side mirror. You do have your tow mirrors that fold out as such, and go back down just as easy. It is a crew cab, so nice big back seat. We also have kitchen rear windows, 4-wheel disc brakes, heavy duty restring suspension in the rear, and then you can see your spare tire is mounted underneath the truck bed back there. Some heavy duty mud flaps as well. We also have a heat mat rear bumper, parking sensor along there as well. That nice big Ram logo right in the middle, a 4x4 off to the side. And we have the wiring for your trailer hitch, and then big heavy duty trailer hitch receiver right in the middle there. And then to get in the back, make sure the vehicle's unlocked. Drop this down, and you do have a nice spray and bed liner for the entirety of the front bed. See off the side here that's not going anywhere anytime soon. And it latches up nice and easy. For For the rear interior, you have your power window switch right below the door handle, so storage all throughout the door panel as well. Being crew cab, you do get a ton of legroom and headroom in the back of the Ram 3500. Same nice leather material with the rear seating to match the front. We also have an armrest that folds down here as such to be 2 cup holders. You also find your child seat anchors in the fold of the rear seats all along the back, and the upper ones are behind the headrest, so you can see the loop there behind the headrest on the driver's side. We also have storage pockets on the back of both the front seats, on both sides there. You also have 2 climate control vents, in addition to a cigarette lighter style 12-volt outlet there, and 2 cup holders on the floor in the very middle. You are able to fold up the rear seats. They do come up in a 60-40 split. Latches into place. Actually has a nice light here, so if you're doing this in the dark, kind of helps you see what you're doing. And underneath this, we do have your factory subwoofer that comes with the Alpine sound system. Doesn't take up too much space. And then you can fold up the feet here. Fold this down flat, giving you a nice flat storage floor in the back. If you need to haul something bigger, don't want to keep it in the truck bed, maybe it's full, maybe it's raining, you can put it in here while still maintaining 1 seat on the passenger or on the driver's side, or vice versa. And the nice thing about this is you still maintain the 2 cup holders in the very middle, even with this up. Then we'll go ahead and fold this back down. This just comes back down on its own, don't have to pull any levers or anything, and it's super easy to do everything since you can do it with one hand while recording a video. And that was the 2017 Ram 3500 SLT Crew Cab Night Edition. If you're interested in this very well-equipped diesel truck with very low kilometers, you can go to parkmazda.ca to fill out the form to book your test drive. In doing so, we get you a $25 Visa gift card for coming down. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.